Hi friends, this is Jeevan. Okay friends, today we'll see about, before telling that title, I think you have seen that. Also I want to tell, okay, before going to our title, the world's richest house. You have listened, I think, in the Indian, okay, some Indians, by 4 we have kept like 4 by 3, okay, 4 by 3, as you know who is the biggest and costliest house in the world. They will know who is the costliest world. They have this kind of things, they have know. I think you also know that, okay, the world's costliest house of Mukesh Ambani is Mukesh Ambani. Before that, where it is, we will see. It is in Mumbai, okay, in Mumbai, okay, in Mumbai, Billionaires Row of Mumbai in India. It is there. It is a private residence of, its name is Attilai, okay, Attilia. It's the house name, okay. Before telling the full information, you want to do one thing. It is please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Now we'll go to our video, okay. It is a private residence, okay, it is an private residence, okay. In this residence there is a Billions Row of Mumbai in India, okay. This house owner is Mukesh Ambani and his family, who moved into it. He has moved in 2012, okay. 2012 he have moved, and there is a floors of 27 floors. But normally our houses height will be, means the length height, the height of it house of room, okay, you will tell 11, maximum it is 11, okay, maximum 12, okay. But in this house they are telling that it is double, means you also know, I think 24 or 23, okay. This is something they are telling that, okay. After that we will see what is inside that, what are the floors of 27 floors, what is there in that. Before that, how they are constructed this house, okay. If it is came as 8 sectors of earthquake, okay, it is an meter of something, okay, it has came, it don't shake a little, okay, like a little shake also did not in this house, because they have constructed that kind of pillars and that kind of strongest base it is, okay. They have constructed that much of strong base, okay. We will see what it is in this house, okay. We will see what it is in this floor. We will come from base, okay. We will come from base. What is in that Mumbai Billionaires Row, okay. In that Mumbai Billionaires Row, it is an only one house. It has the highest and heightest. You can see from any what are the houses, they are like some biggest houses are there, they can also see this kind of thing, okay, because they also have flats in the sides of it, but also it should not, okay. We will see what is there, okay. We will see from the basement or from the first floor, okay. In the first 6 floors, okay, the first 6 floors, it is a thing of 6 floors of parking, okay. 6 floors of parking, what, you can ask me, but it is real. It is an 6 floors of thing to park their cars. they have 200 plus cars. Okay, 200 plus they have registered in that time, but now I don't know how much it is. Okay, next of 6 floors. Okay, from the basement to 6 floors by 12 12 12. Okay, this kind of things are there. That much of cars they have seen 6 floors. After that, next floor. Okay, 50 seats, 50 seater cinema, means cinema theater in their house. They are having second floor for 50 seats. They are 5, but it is 50 for sitting. They have fighted. You can sit here, you can sit here. They are sitting there, but they can see the film. This kind of things. Okay, the next floor. Okay, the next 2 floors are outdoor garden. They can see full and fully the WWWW shape. It will like zigzag zigzag, this kind of things in this 2. Okay, in the outdoor garden. Okay, because of it, it is looking gigantic. You can see from this flat, they are seeing like this, the top they are seeing like that. When they are seeing like that, it is an only thing we will see in that. It is that garden. They are telling like that. Okay, after that, what is that? Okay, after this next 2 floors is swimming pools, spa and gym. These kind of things are there. We want to talk about this in next 2 floors. Okay, next 2 floors are guest. Normally the houses are there of guest houses. Okay, now in our India it is happened as normal, but in this house they have kept the guest apartment for next 2 floors. They have kept like that. It is unbelievable thing. Okay, after that, next floor there is a room of maintenance thing, because they have to clean that house. The 27 floors of double things, they have that kind of houses. Okay, they want to clean the maintenance for cars, and they are keeping the things for maintenance. They will keep the full and full thing is there. Okay, for the only purpose of maintenance. Okay, the floor, only one floor full and fully one floor they have kept for maintenance. Okay, we'll see so much things also after this. Okay, family residence, the total family of Mukesh Ambani, they have living in that residence. Okay, that 4 5 floors, that 6 floors they are living in that floors. Okay, after that I will tell the 6 floors main and mainly only that and some extras. Okay, after that, air traffic control, means they have 3 helipads on the top of his terrace. Okay, for that they have kept the separate floor for air control. I cannot believe it. Okay, this is an, what is this? The floors of it, what is there? This is something they can see from out. Okay, after that, it is one thing. After that, we want to see a little funny thing. Okay, they have 8 floors, 8 not 8 floors, 8 lifts. Why? It is one is enough for going and going up. Okay, it is not for our workers and some things. Okay, we can keep 2, but they have kept that of 8 for who are coming the guests for them, and who are the workers for them, for the separate use of them, and who are coming some outer workers and some neighbors or businessmen, for them separate things are there in that 8 elevators or 8 elevators. Okay, 8 lift or elevator. Okay, this is an interesting thing. Okay, in that next thing, for 28 floors of double thing, you can think how much will be the workers. I will tell the predictions of it. It is 600 workers will be there in their house. They are telling like that. Okay, this is an interesting thing. Okay, what is in the Anil Ambani, Mukesh Ambani's house? I want to tell it is, this house is very pretty. You can keep it like pretty. Okay, this is an interesting thing we have in this video. Okay, if you want to, before ending our video, I want to tell one thing. If you want to earn money, okay, I have the earning money playlist. You can search by that, and I have kept some videos. You can see that, and you can also earn money. Okay, we will see some things, some extra things are there. Okay, after this has the astrological house. They have, before starting this house, they are telling that this house is full and fully the Reliance company, which is have the Mukesh Ambani, the owner of Mukesh Ambani is Reliance. Okay, this thing will lose the astrological or some, I don't think the name of him. Okay, they are telling like that. Okay, you will the astrological thing. Okay, because of it they have kept 1 year. After that they have constructed that house for 4 years, and they have planned for 1 year. After that they have gone for that house. I think this is an interesting for you. Because of it I am uploading this kind of videos, and I will upload so much kinds of videos. Because of it I want your support. Please see my videos. I have kept in my videos section, and I have my second channel also. You can subscribe that also. Okay, for other channels or other languages you want, it is there. Okay, this is our end of our video. Until then, bye from Jeevan.